Quick transfer. Power on the aircraft. Press the power button 3 times, the aircraft will enter quick transfer mode. After a successful connection, the aircraft status indicator turns from solid green to blinking blue. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Launch the DJI Fly app, and the system will give you a message prompting you to connect the aircraft. Tap to enter. Tap to join the aircraft Wi-Fi. After a successful connection, access the aircraft album and select shots to download at high speed. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Tap to enter playback in the DJI Fly app. Tap the quick transfer icon in the upper right corner of the app. Tap to switch to quick transfer mode. Tap to join the aircraft Wi-Fi. Once switching is complete, you can enter quick transfer mode and select shots to download at high speed.